thousands of children run off plenty of energy at Wonderworld, Scotland's biggest soft play provider. But it's the energy coming from the rooftops that we're looking at here, with Synergy providing 769 solar panels across 2 Wonderworld venues at Falkirk and Kirkcaldy. Synergy's fully funded retrofit solution will reduce both energy costs and carbon emissions. A total of 293 kilowatt peak of solar PV has been provided across the 2 sites. Any excess electricity generated will be exported to the grid. Synergy's power purchase agreement allows businesses to benefit from solar while paying no upfront costs and no ongoing maintenance fees. In the case of Wonderworld, the agreement with Synergy even pays for roof improvements at Kirkcaldy. Wonderworld offers a great day out for the family. The indoor adventure centres are themed on the wonders of the world, designed to stimulate the imagination in a safe and fun environment. It's perfectly aligned with the ethos of Synergy at the cutting edge of clean, green, renewable energy solutions to make life better for future generations. To find out more about Synergy and place-based power, go to outsynergy.com.